This is a brand new 2012 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, dusk-sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, external temperature display, and aluminum wheels. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Fairlane Ford Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 14585 Michigan Avenue in Dearborn.